Seconds, guys. Ready? Five seconds, guys. Sun team, go to moon.
Koji and orange.
Oh, we can triple cap. Nice. After we triple cap, go back to your tablets. Go back to side tablets after.
They aren't respawning.
They aren't respawning. My god.
No, they're in star spawn.
They are in star spawn, but they're spawning so delayed. No. So much corpses on start. It's on.
They're having connection problem.
How long did you wait to use that?
Okay, Sun team, help out on moon. But don't go inside moon yet, ah. Don't go inside moon yet. Guys, if moon gets pushed, wait for color change, ha. If moon gets pushed, wait for color change. PvP outside tablets only, guys. Yuna, why are you in star?
Walking on blue. Stop, it's your fault.
Why? If they're not responding that much, go to moon spawn. Go to the spawn area, spread out.
Pabanda si Panda.
Ay, sorry, Panda. Ayoko nga para maging number 2. I'm just kidding.
Oh no, I sent it to nearby, sorry! Ito daw.
What was sent nearby?
No, I was so that emotion of the cat was looking down. I said,
Ready moon color change, ready moon color change. Color change, go moon, go moon.
I'm stuck.
I don't like getting caught.
So misleading. Why?
Guys, PvP outside tablets only so that we can wait for color change, even the side tablets. It's easier to def if we know that it's locked anyway.
But Panda in PH, you always say, let's go hard.
They're hard pushing Sun right now.
Nasa world na.
15 seconds till
Oh
mobs.
no.
10 seconds till mobs. 10 seconds till mobs.
Ano, Tony wants to go out. Timing naman yung patanggal. You want to go out or do you want to go out? Ayan, natigat na sa panda.
Oop, I died.
Is panda. Is the mother of anak panda. Friends, sinisimula.
Ladies, are they still going to make it to Alvaro?
Give them one
I
panda.
don't know. GG's.
Guys. Hindi na siya nakapag-
Hindi pa pwede i-upload